Hello, I'm Chef Kevin Brown from CVTC's Culinary Management Program, and today we are going to show you how to make a simple vinaigrette. And simple, it's really, really simple. I mean simple, like 3 or 4 ingredients simple. So 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. And we're going to start that really, really simply in a bowl, okay? Or if you have a shaker bottle or a squirt bottle or a blender or whatever you want to put it into mix, you're going to use 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. Now, basically what I like to do first all the time is I like to start with my vinegar in the bowl and my flavor agent. So today I've diced up some shallot, and shallots are those kind of funny little purple onion things you might see in the grocery store. I'm going to put some of that into my vinegar and then simply salt and pepper in there. And I usually do a pinch of sugar as well because it can be a little bitey. The vinegar can be a little bitey. Now I'm going to add my oil, and it's great if you have a friend to help you do this because you can drizzle it in while you're whisking, or in the blender. The blender works amazingly well, right? Because as good as my whisking skills are, I can never beat the blender. Now, as you can see, I'm kind of adding these slowly because that oil, if you imagine it as one big fat molecule, if I added it all at one time, it would be really hard to chase around in that bowl. And it would be hard to create that temporary emulsion that we're looking for. As I add the oil, I can go a little faster even because I've created a temporary emulsion in my bowl. And that's how simple a vinaigrette can be. How quick was that, right? Now, one key thing, I always like to test my vinaigrette with how I'm going to serve it. So I might take a piece of my lettuce, dip it in there, and take a taste, because it tastes a lot different than tasting it on a spoon or a fork. So just a quick plate up. I'll take some of my lettuce here, and I'm going to take a little bit of my vinaigrette and just drizzle it over my greens, and then a little cucumber and a couple little tomatoes on there. And I always like to hit it with a little salt and pepper. So there is our easy vinaigrette, right? 3 or 4 ingredients, bam, done on a plate. Your guests will think you're amazing, that you went to culinary school. Now, if you'd like to learn more about our culinary program, you can check us out at cvtc.edu.